Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to view databases and tables. So here we are going to cover three queries. The first query will be enlist all the databases available in the system. Second query will be for selecting one of the database from the list of databases. And the third query will be to see the tables available in selected database. So let's move to the SQL view that I am using as a administrative tool. So here we are going to see all the list of database available on the system. So for that we will write so statement and then we'll write databases, and after each of the query we are going to use semicolon. So select this and click on execute query. So here we can see that the list of database has been returned, and if we want to see the status of this query, then we can directly go to this messages section. So here it is saying one query executed and one success. It means successfully we have just executed this query and 7 rows has been recorded as a result. So here the first database name is information underscore schema, second one is MySQL, third one is new database, fourth one is performance underscore schema, fifth one is PHP my admin, sixth one is test, and seventh one is what. Now if we are just trying to select any of these database, then we need to write use statement, and after this we are just going to give the name of database. So suppose I am just going to select world, and as we have discussed, like after each of the query completion we need to add one semicolon. So here I have just added the semicolon. Select all the query and execute it. So here into the message section we are going to see two queries executed and both are successful. So first query show database is going to return 7 rows, and the second query use world is going to select the world database. But how we are just going to make sure that world database has been selected? So in that case, as a assertion, we can see the number of tables available inside this database. So for that we are just going to write show tables, again use semicolon at the end of the query, select all these queries and execute it. So here we can see that there are number of results available here. The first result is the list of all databases. Second query is not going to return any result because implicitly it is going to select the world database, and the third result is going to showcase all the tables available into the world. So here it is going to have city, country, and country language as a three tables in world database. So these are three queries that we can just use to see complete set of database available on the system. We can just select one database from the list of databases, and we can also show the complete list of table name available into the database.